Let us put ourselves into bandhan. After raising our kundalini, raise. Attention on your Sahasrara. Don't close your eyes. Push back your head. 1. Again. Sit straight. Take it up on your head. 2. 3. Now a bandhan. 1, 2. Do it properly, systematically. 3. All of us should do properly. 3. 4. 5. Try to wait as I'm doing. 6. 7. Still not, we have not done it properly. We all should do in one rhythm. Let's do it again. 1. Slowly. 2. With attention on the Sahasrara. 3. How do I do it? 4. 5. Good. 6. Attention on Sahasrara. 7. 4. And there are diseases which are somatic and there are diseases which are psycho. That is, the diseases are caused by, supposing you go to a wrong guru, there will be a problem. A person who spoils your psyche. There are so many ways these days we spoil our psyches, drugs and other things that we do. It spoils the psyche and person start going into the habit of getting more and more dominated by those habits. So when the Kundalini rises, she brings the attention in the center by which the left side habits are cured. And so your psychic troubles are also cured, your habits are cured. And then there is another type of disease we have that we call as psychosomatic. These are the diseases like cancer, say AIDS, all viruses, all kinds of multiple sclerosis and all such diseases. They are also caused by the imbalance in your attention, by the imbalance in your being. So when you come into balance, these can be cured very easily without taking any medicines, without going to any doctor, without doing anything special. The whole system is built in within you which works it out. So that's what you have to do, is to use the candle. Use the candle and they will tell you how to do it. You see, you have to use the candle and it will be all right. Because what is it? You see, there's a left side virus you have got, virus infection. And for the virus, you have to use the light. Light. Light is more than the heat. It's not the heat, it's the light. That will help you a lot. They'll tell you how to use it, it will go away. It's improving now very much. That's why it helps you. In the medical science, they never use light as such, you see. For all these troubles, left-sided problems, we even cure cancer with candle, but takes time, but we cure cancer plus all these psychosomatic diseases. We have to use only candles. So the light has to be used. Allergic conditions are nothing but viruses. Allergic. And these viruses are the plants and things that have gone out of the circulation of evolution. So they live on the left side, in the collective subconscious, you see, the area which was built in, and they attack you. Once they attack you, then medical cannot cure it. You see, it's a psychosomatic trouble. And now in his case also same thing. Only the candle can cure it. But candle they will tell you how to use. You have to use my photograph. All right? And doctors also know that they cannot cure virus trouble. They know that, isn't it? Virus is incurable. They know it very well. Do you know that cancer and all the psychosomatic troubles come from viruses? They are all viruses, different types, that's all. And if you can just get your attention away from them, you are all right. Sahaja Yoga is that. What? If you move towards the left, you go to the collective subconscious, and there are all those things which have gone out of the circulation of evolution are there. But if you can somehow or other pull out your attention, you get cured. Same on the right side also you can have problems. But for psychosomatic troubles, only this candle treatment helps a lot. It's a wonderful thing. Flu. Now for flu, first of all, this is again left side. But we have got a very good medicine in India. I don't know if you have that. There is what you call is the basil. Basil leaves. You take lots of basil leaves, make a concoction or concoction?
Infusion.
Huh?
Infusion.
No.
Boil it up in a pot.
Boil it up in a pot. Make it absolutely, the essence, take it out. Quite thick. Put tea in it or water, just like the way you want to make it, like a tea. And put milk or whichever way you want, less milk. And sugar, because the taste may not be so good. And then you drink it. Before that, you have to prepare some, what you call for dhuni. You all know ajwain ka dhuni. You see, you know that. So you take ajwain ka dhuni after that. That's all. You do it 3 days, you'll be all right, cleared up. If somebody has allergies, what does it catch? Correct. Left navi. Left navi will catch. Anything that is left can be taken out on the little flame. Now, in diagnosis, you are easy. But now for medicines, now remember the certain principles of medicines. Very certain principles are there. If it is left side, you have to take it to the fire, or to the sun, or to the flames. Alright? If it is the left side, you have to take it to the water, in general. Anybody who is suffering from right side, put him in the water. Finished. Done. Not in the sun, of course. Any disease, you bring it to this point. It's very simple.
Psoriasis.
Same thing. Psoriasis is nothing else but left side problem. It's a lethargic liver and gives you allergies. For psoriasis, left hand towards the photograph and right hand on the Mother Earth. Putting hot water bottle on the stomach. Or even giving bandhan to your liver with the light is all right. You must see, because psoriasis, now people might think psoriasis means active liver or inactive liver. You see, it comes to that. But we have only two types, active or inactive. Now whether psoriasis is inactive or active, you will know from one point that when the liver is inactive, you get the allergies. And when it is active, you get other problems like, what you call that in English, I don't know, nausea, and also you get biliousness. You don't eat much, you thin down, all these problems are there. Now what else? For eczema, same thing. Eczema is the same thing. It's just like allergy. Eczema, same thing. But for eczema, because it's outward, you can use certain thing like neem ka patta and all that I have told you. So many things can be used on top. Fungus outside or inside?
On the skin.
Is one of the worst thing is fungus. Same thing. But it's the worst thing. I should say it's the left side. Again the attack is left side. Fungus is all dead. And you have to use the left side towards the photograph and right hand on the places wherever you have the fungus. You may take it out that way. But don't eat cheese. And the fungusy cheese you are not supposed to eat at all. All the Sahajogis should not eat any fungusy cheese. That blue one with a crust one. All fungus must be avoided. And also mushrooms if possible.
Why does milk exacerbate allergies and eczema? Milk, cow's milk.
Why does cow's milk make allergies and eczema worse?
What
Why
is
does cow's milk make allergies and eczema worse?
cow's milk? Yes.
Because it's left side.
Left side. Cow's milk always give you the left side because she's the mother. And you should not have her milk because it's left side. Whether it is cow's milk or buffalo's milk, all will give you allergies. But if you have animals which are smaller than you, like if you can drink like Mahatma Gandhi, the goat's milk, then you might not have the problem. What's it? Spondylitis is left Vishuddhi. And right Vishuddhi could be also, but mostly left Vishuddhi spondylitis. Combination also could be.
Multiple sclerosis.
Multiple sclerosis is comes from Muladhara. Muladhara and Nabi. Left Nabi and Muladhara. It's more left-sided. Give the treatment of the left side. Saying the name of Ganesha and of Gauri. It will work out. Now, cancer is a disease which cannot be explained by doctors. We can explain it in Sahaja Yoga. It's caused by overactivity of the sympathetic nervous system. If you could soothe the overactivity of the sympathetic nervous system, you can cure cancer. But say those people who go to spiritualists, those people who go to false gurus, those people who indulge into black magic and other activities of negative nature, getting spirits and things like that, are more susceptible. Are really the susceptible ones. So the cancer is caused, say this is the center, and this is the left side and the right side, and in the center is the Sushumna Nadi, the central Nadi that you see there. Now, if you start using too much the right side, it moves like that, or the left side, it moves like that. At this point, it is vulnerable to cancer, because already your relationship with the whole is broken. At that time, suddenly, something happens on the left, and it's cut off completely. Then the cells on any center or in many centers can start galloping and can become very ego-oriented, and they become malignant. They start growing. Like in the nose, they start growing so fast that they can cover your eye, they can cover your ear and everything. All the other cells are not proportionately growing. And so that's how they obliterate the work of all the other organs. This is how cancer is set. Now when Kundalini passes, she goes through this and just puts it right like that. The first our attention comes to the center. And then she nourishes the center. Cancer is such a common case in the West especially. Such a lot of people are suffering from cancer because they are very one-sided people. If they are left-sided, emotional people, then to the extreme they are. They take to drugs, of such drugs which are very injurious. They take to alcoholism, which are very injurious, takes them to the left side. Or they take to the right side and suddenly any shock they can't bear, so they go to the left side. So there's no balance, and this balance is only established through Kundalini awakening. From all over the world, and to be able to talk to them. They understand me the best in this whole world. It's impossible to have a rapport with a person who is not a surgeon. Even if you give them realization, if they have not become Sahaja Yogis, then it is very difficult to make them understand the subtleties of their own being also. Today, as we are all Sahaja Yogis here, I would like to tell you about the growth of the being on the subtler plane. All the time, as we have been doing anything, we have been thinking what is to be done. What is to be done to be realized was the first question people asked me when they were not realized. What should we do, Mother, to get realized? Then I had to tell them nothing. Just spread your hands towards me and it will work out. It's true. It works out that way. Now after realization, you have to do something, as they say. But still, what have you to do? Again the question comes in, what should we do for this, to remove this chakra, that chakra, what is the technique, what is the thing? The trouble with Sahaja Yogis as they are today, they are all technocrats already. They have done so much of technical things that it is better that they should forget about technique and worry more about spontaneity. The technique is so much that the technique has killed the spontaneity. And a balance has to be struck between technique and the spontaneity. First you get your realization by spontaneity, sahaja. Then you have to have, naturally by temperament you are technocrats, want to have a technique, the tantra, the mechanism, how to work out the mechanism. Thank God we are not so bad now. Otherwise, normally I have seen, I was giving lectures and people were giving bandhans to them and raising their kundalini, all mad people around. And others who were newcomers would be frightened at such yogis, that what's the matter with these people, they are so abnormal. And if you tell them that you should not do it, you should just listen to the lecture, they would say, no, no, Mother, we were catching, so we're trying to put ourselves right. Now one has to realize that you have to become subtler. Then again the question, how to become? How to become subtler is the problem. For example, today there was a question of having a puja in the morning time. Today they said that there is a Surya Grahana, means the eclipse of the sun, and if today is such a great date that if you do the worship or the puja, you get the blessings of thousands of such pujas on an eclipse day of the sun. Now, if you look at it, it looks very fine, good, yes, it's true, it is written in the astrological survey and all that. It's a very great thing, and we start following it. You being Sahaja Yogis, you must attack it from a subtler point of view. That is how your wisdom will also become subtler. Your attitude also will become subtler. To attack such a question from subtle point of view, we have to first of all know that we are Sahaja Yogis. No technique is needed, just see your vibrations on this question to begin with. It's very simple. Subtler things are the simpler things. Gross things are complicated. It's very simple. Very simple equation. Simple thing is to feel the vibrations on this point. Whether today's puja, is it really worth something or not? You'll be amazed that your right side will become hot on this point. So, this intellect, which is now being enlightened, Prabuddha you have become, you must use it in a subtler way. Why? That for Sahajogis it is not necessary to do the puja today. You have already become thoughtless, so I will not ask you to answer the question. The reason is, as you are all technocrats, you are right-sided. This was all right thousands of years back when the Vedas started. And the Vedas have given us this science. All the excitement about Vedas was all right at that time when they worshipped the Surya, all the right-sided things in Greece. These things reached such a height that all the gods had to fall just like human beings and become just like human beings. For them now, everybody has weaknesses. Every god has a weakness. This weakness one has, that weakness another has. They don't understand gods anymore in Greece. They just think that they are some sort of entities with all the weaknesses of human beings burdened on them. So this right side movement has been a bit too much since the time of Vedas. Worshipping of Surya has been too much. You have worshipped too much. It was so much so that Christ had to come on this earth and tell people that you better forgive. His advent should have made people more in the center, but it did not. On the contrary, all the Christian nations went onto right side, and we Indians are also following you up. So we are very right-sided people. All the Sahajogis today are 99.9% are right-sided. Even Indians are. The Bhakti people are lost. They are not yet here. They are another mad people. They are going to this Pandari temple, praying to God. They are in the churches, they are in the temples, they are in the mosques, everywhere they are lost. So those who worship the moon, worship the bhakti, the so-called love of God, are lost to Sahaja for the time being. More the intellectuals are here, because they really lead others into another. They sound more sane than the other. But this movement towards the right is overdone. So now, to bring Sahajogis to normalcy is to bring them to the left side, as they are today, as they are today. That's why I took you down to villages where people are very simple, very loving, very affectionate. With right-sided people, the brain is so wobbly that you can't bear any discomfort. You can't bear any discomfort. If there's any discomfort, you just can't bear it, because all your energies are spent in your brain activity, which is useless and thoroughly rubbish, absolutely, creating nothing. But it makes you so tired that a slight discomfort in the body makes you very, very upset. And you can't bear any physical discomfort. Now we Indians are so enamored by your progress that we are also trying to follow your footsteps, and with a double march. Under these circumstances, one has to think of those people who really love God. There is bhakti, there is devotion. They don't think, they don't worry, they are blindly following God. They know there is God, and they said we'll meet God sometime. Whatever mistakes they are creating, as you have committed mistakes with your right-sided behavior. With the left side also they are committing lots of mistakes, no doubt. But they are to be brought in. You have to meet them, they have to meet you. They'll have a good effect on you. I know they will have. To become the moon now is not so easy, because once you have become the sun, rather difficult. You have gone a little ahead. But to become the moon, you have to develop that Shraddha, that faith, that non-thinking faith, that love. One may ask, from where do you start when you sit for meditation? I asked Modi what were the questions. From where to start and where to end? Is all again technique. It's only one technique I would prescribe for you people. Every group requires a different type of a technique. You see, the kind of problems they face is that you start with your heart and end there only. It starts from your heart, from your Atma, and ends in your Atma. Just give up talking about it. Just start feeling your heart. Just start feeling your heart, opening it out. Not your mouth so much as your heart.
Shakti Mataji, Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ekadanta Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kapila Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Gajakarnaka Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Lambodar Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vikata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vignanasha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganadipa Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dhumraketu Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganadyaksha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Balachandra Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Gajanana Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samarabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo
त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीमहालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुण्डलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Let's put ourselves into bandhan after raising our kundalini. Raise. Attention on your Sahasrara. Don't close your eyes. Push back your head. 1. Again. Sit straight. Take it up on your head. 2. 3. Now a bandhan. 1, 2. Do it properly, systematically. 3. All of us should do properly. 3. 4. 5. Try to wait as I'm doing. 6. 7. Still not, we have not done it properly. We all should do in one rhythm. Let's do it again. 1. Slowly. 2. With attention on the Sahasrara. 3. How do I do it? 4. 5. Good. 6. Attention on Sahasrara. 7.
श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया मंगलमूर्ती श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया सिंदूर चर्चित धवनी अंग सिंदूर चर्चित धवनी अंग चंदन मुठी खुल विराग बधता मानस होते दंग जीव जडला चरणी तुझिया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया मंगलमूर्ती श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया गजानना 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 श्री गणराया आधी वंदू तुझ मोरया रचना हर मानव को सहजी बना दो आदि माँ। सूरज चाँद सितारे सब तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ, तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ, तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ। रक्षा हमारी करना माँ, कलियुग की माया मोह से रक्षा हमारी करना माँ। विनती तुमसे है माँ हमारी, चरणों में अपनी रखना, चरणों में अपनी रखना, चरणों में अपनी रखना। अगर भटक जाए जो कभी भी राह दिखाना हमको माँ। अगर भटक जाए जो कभी भी राह दिखाना हमको माँ। हमें भर दो प्रेम की शक्ति, रहना हमारे दिल में माँ, रहना हमारे दिल में माँ, रहना हमारे दिल में माँ। आशीर्वाद करो हम सबको, सहज योग बढ़ाए माँ। आशीर्वाद करो हम सबको, सहज योग बढ़ाए माँ। सारी दुनिया सहजी बनकर आए तुम्हारी शरण में माँ, आए तुम्हारी शरण में माँ, आए तुम्हारी शरण में माँ। सूरज चाँद सितारे सब तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ, तेरी रचना हर मानव को सहजी बना दो आदि माँ। सूरज चाँद सितारे सब तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ, तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ, तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ, तेरी ही सृष्टि है माँ। सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा। श्री माँ से तू आशीष लेकर मोक्ष को पा जाएगा।
सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा।
युगों युगों से यहाँ वहाँ जो सत्य को खोजते आए हैं,
युगों युगों से यहाँ वहाँ जो सत्य को खोजते आए हैं।
इस भारत की योग भूमि पर सत्य को वो पाएगा।
सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा। कभी दिल में है राम राम और कभी दिल में है अली अली।
सहज में आके समझेगा भाई क्या है राम और क्या अली।
सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा।
सत्य का तो एक रूप है वो है श्री माँ के चरण।
सत्य का तो एक रूप है वो है श्री माँ के चरण।
छोड़ के बाकी आओ मिलकर पूजे उनके चरण कमल।
सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा।
श्री माँ से तू आशीष लेकर मोक्ष को पा जाएगा।
सहजी सहज बढ़ाए जा, 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 सहजी सहज।
सहज में आए हैं श्री माँ को पाए हैं। सहज में आए हैं श्री माँ को पाए हैं। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है। सहज में आए हैं श्री माँ को पाए हैं। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है। सहज में आए हैं। माँ है बड़ी प्यारी प्यारी, माँ है बड़ी न्यारी न्यारी। ये माँ है बड़ी प्यारी प्यारी, माँ है बड़ी न्यारी न्यारी। माँ हमारी निर्मल निर्मल, माँ हमारी है जग जननी। माँ के चरणों पे हम सब सहज शीश नवाते हैं। माँ के चरणों में हम सब सहज शीश नवाते हैं। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है। सहज में आए हैं श्री माँ को पाए हैं। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है। सहज में आए हैं। झूम के नाचे गाए, माँ के दरबार में सहजी झूम के नाचे गाए। चैतन्य लहरी में सब प्रेम से नहाते जाए, माँ की ममता की दृष्टि सहजियों को भाती है, माँ की ममता की दृष्टि सहजियों को भाती है। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है, सहज में आए हैं, श्री माँ को पाए हैं। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है, सहज में आए हैं। श्री माँ है आदि शक्ति, श्री माँ है जग कल्याणी, श्री माँ है आदि शक्ति, श्री माँ है जग कल्याणी। श्री माँ त्रिलोक स्वामिनी, श्री माँ सहजोगदायिनी। श्री माँ तू मैया हमारी, तुम्हारे ही बालक है। श्री माँ तू मैया हमारी, तुम्हारे ही बालक है। तुम्हीं से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है, सहज में आए हैं, श्री माँ को पाए हैं। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है, सहज में आए हैं, श्री माँ को पाए हैं। श्री माँ से आशीष लेकर सहज को बढ़ाना है, सहज में आए हैं। रचिला ऋषि मुनीनी जाचारु जानता, लंका विनायका रे झड़तो तुझा दिगंता। रचिला ऋषि मुनीनी जाचारु जानता, लंका विनायका रे झड़तो तुझा दिगंता। वरदायका गणेशा, महदाशया सुरेशा। वरदायका गणेशा, महदाशया सुरेशा। कावेध लाविसी तो खेलांबरे कदंता। रचिला ऋषि मुनीनी जाचारु जानता, लंका विनायका रे झड़तो तुझा दिगंता। जुनी भ्रमात सारे योगी मुनि महंता रचिला ऋषि मुनीनी जाचारु जानता हम करे पूजन माँ तेरा, हम करे पूजन माँ तेरा, हम करे पूजन माँ तेरा। तुझे सजाए तुझे रिझाए, तुझे सजाए तुझे रिझाए, तू ही देवी माती शक्ति। हम करे पूजन माँ तेरा, हम करे पूजन माँ तेरा। सहज में हुए हम पार। ओ मैया सहज में हुए हम पार। श्री माँ को सब दिल से चाहे, मन मंदिर में उनको बिठाए।